Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis several times before, but it's been a long time, and had some requests come in on it and pulled up the chart today. And wow, what a day for the bulls! Very, very nice price movement. So want to get some overall levels of support and resistance mapped out. And that way going forward, kind of keep an eye on, not only the uptrend, but some of these stubborn areas of resistance. So again, keyword being overall. And the first point of, just overall is the trend. And the trend right now can be defined by that line right there. In fact, let me change the color of that. It's probably kind of hard to see. So let's make that, a green trend line representing support. Now, there is a little bit of it depends that goes into this. If you are some sort of short-term day trader, then yeah, I get it. You could care less about this. Of course, you don't want to see the price falling all the way down there. My point here is that from the grand scheme of things, a big picture perspective, technically speaking, as long as the price stays above that green line, that implies the price is uptrending because sure, there's been pullbacks, but ever since the price bottomed out right here, you can see on this pullback, before it started to head back up, the bears only made that much progress. So obviously that is higher than over there. So that represents the progress that the bulls were making. So yeah, the bears made some progress, but not as much progress as they made before. And that's what you want to see. Less and less progress being made on the bears' part every time the price pulls back. And how do you gauge the progress of the bears? Well, the trend line. As long as the price stays above that green line, that implies that the bears are making less and less progress each time the price does pull back. So that'll be the overall area of support. More so the ideal level of support going forward. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? If the price can stay up above, what is that, $1.70, that would definitely, be a best case scenario. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would be a great sign of strength. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, maybe, well, not maybe. If you use charts and you know exactly where I'm headed with this, but that pink line there is denoting the very famous 200-day simple moving average. And this is why I always laugh at people and they say, oh, charts don't work. What a coincidence. The price was running and running and running. And then look right where it decided to stop and pull back. Right there at that 200-day simple moving average. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the price can't break through it. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did run out of steam up around there. So 200-day simple moving average, public enemy number one going into tomorrow and the remaining, remainder of the week. So all in all, though, great looking chart. And as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, overall things will take care of themselves. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.